They have been doing this for 10 minutes with that ball. Back and forth. One of them grabs it. One of them loses it. They just keep at it. Come on, Willie, you got it. There you go. Willie got it. Now Looney's going to get it. Back and forth.
I'm giving Amy's wedding an 8. If there had been air conditioning, I honestly would have given Amy a 10 out of 10. It would have been a perfect wedding. She absolutely nailed her theme of country western.
Done? Okay, no more ball. We don't need the ball anymore. Now we're just going to play. Oh, Looney got it. I think this could go on forever. Looney's gotten very good at retrieving. She wants to get the ball all the time now. If you throw it, she runs after it and brings it right back. Well, see what you're missing.